excited to chat with you today. So let's dive right in. I see you have quite a background in marketing and content creation. Can you tell me a bit about what drew you to this field?
Sure. My interest in marketing began with content writing, and I am skilled in both organic and paid marketing, including SEO, website content, long and short form writing, and paid ads across major platforms.
Wow, that sounds like quite a journey.
At Amazon, you have seen a 10% drop in the checkout process over the past 3 days. What are the top 3 hypotheses you would test first?
Great. That's an interesting question. To address the 10% drop in the Amazon's checkout process, I think would look at 3 key areas. The first area that I would go for is the user experience issues, which could happen due to usability issues like complicated forms or lack of clear instructions, or there is some insufficient information available which might be leading to the customer drop-offs. The number 2 hypothesis